Hello and welcome back. I hope you're all well and surviving this heat that we've got at the moment. I'm just at the storage to do a few jobs, but if you're a caravanner like myself, you will probably have one of these, which is a drill and this bar here to wind your steadies up. Now, in order to power this, normally what I've got is I've got my Ryobi 1 battery, and it's only a 4 amp battery, and that powers up that. Now, all my power tools, everything that I've got are Ryobi. I use a Ryobi 1 system because of the interchangeable of the batteries. You can move the batteries around. In the Caravan, we have our Ryobi Hoover. It's not an advert for Ryobi, this, you know. We have our Ryobi 1 tyre pump that I use in the car. Other things I've got at home, I've got a plethora of Ryobi tools at home, lots of them around. Now, the batteries that I've had since the original, I've had this drill now for probably about 8 years. They're slightly, they're 4 amp and they're getting having to charge them quite a lot, so they are getting a little bit worn down. So I was contacted by a company called eplusbatteries and then asked me if I wanted to have a look at some of their batteries. And I said yes. And what they sent me 2 batteries. And I'll just tell you about them here. They sent me an 8 amp hour battery, which is quite big, and a 9 amp hour battery, which is even bigger. So the reason why, you know, obviously these are going to last a little bit longer, but the reason why I wanted these is then I'm not keep charging them up all the time. I've also recently ordered, in the last few days, some fans for the Caravan. I've ordered 2 of those Ryobi ones as well, and we use Ryobi batteries. So they don't just do Ryobi, they do makes for all different batteries. You've got your Milwaukee, you've got your Makita, Bosch, all those kind of things. So they do loads of different batteries, not just for Ryobis, they do them from all different makes. So it's just have a look at the website, and there's lots of different things in there. I'll put a link in the description. So this battery, the 2 that they sent me, and all the Ryobi ones they do are compatible with all the Ryobi 1 tools. It will work with every one of those. This particular one is 8 amp power, tells you on the back there, and it's also got an indicator on the front to tell you how much the battery's got charge in it. It's got the intelligent program protection on this, and that makes sure that obviously you can't overcharge the batteries. This is going to last significantly longer than our other batteries that we've got, the 4 amp hour ones, and it's not going to, you know, need charging every couple of days. And when we get those fans, we can put these in, one of these in, and it'll last quite a few days without even having to charge the battery up. So it doesn't affect the memories of the equipment that you're using. So that's the 8 amp hour one, but if I put it next to the 9 amp hour one, it looks almost double the size. But it is quite heavy. Now with the 9 amp hour battery, again, it tells you at the back there, it actually tells you on the bottom that it's a 9 amp hour, this one. But on the front of it as well, you've got an indicator there just to make sure that obviously you can see that the battery's charged. So just same as the normal ones, slot it on, jobs are good, and that will last us for considerably longer time, particularly in our Hoover. When we use the Hoover in the Caravan, we can do the whole van with the smaller batteries, but it'll probably only do it once, maybe twice at the moment, and then we'll have to recharge it again. In terms of the cost of these, now I have been looking at these in the past, and these are, for, as I said, from eplusbatteries. Now I looked at the 8 amp hour one online. I couldn't find a Ryobi 9 amp battery. Now the 8 amp battery from eplusbatteries at the moment is running roughly, I think there's an offer on at the moment, £47.99. Now I looked at that on Ryobi, and that's £139 for a similar battery. So, you know, it's more than half the price of the original battery. Will it last the time? Well, I have got one of these, a cheaper one that I used in the past, and to be fair, that's been working really well. 8 amp, 9 amp, I'm going to be giving them some hammering this summer, particularly with the fans that we've ordered, because hopefully it's going to be nice and warm. I'll put a link in the description below about them, but the 9 amp one at the moment is running out at $59.99. So again, you know, if you look at the comparison in terms of the price of the 8 amp one, I couldn't find a 9 amp Ryobi one online, but this one here from eplusbatteries is $59.99, which is a decent price at the moment. Obviously, this is at the price at the time of the video. Thanks for watching. You take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.